Hey, thanks for stopping by. So, all you hear about is developments happening in Kingston, maybe sometimes in Catherine. What about the rest of Jamaica land we love, right? Well, I'm happy to tell you that this video is about, or to introduce to you, a really beautiful development that is happening in St. Elizabeth, in Goshen to be precise. It's called Genesis Manor. Really nice development. So we're going to take a quick drive through. I'm going to give you some info about it just to keep you in the loop of what's going on. All right, so stick around. Just before we jump into that video or that walkthrough, I just want to let you know that my name is Ariel. If it's the first time here, thanks for stopping. I am a real estate agent licensed in Jamaica, and I help my clients by buying, selling, renting property here in Jamaica, whether it's residential or commercial. So if you are someone are considering to purchase property or have a property that they'd like to get sold, certainly you can reach out to me. I'll be happy to help. You can get me at 876-553-4246 or at my email, arielyourrealtor@gmail.com. I'll give the contact information below. I also post on Instagram, fairly random information as well that comes in very handy. So you can consider following me on Instagram. It's Ariel Your Realtor. I'm on Instagram right there. And of course, if you also want to keep up abreast of what's happening in the Jamaican real estate market, you can consider subscribing to my mailing list. I certainly leave the link in the description below, all right? But just consider subscribing to the channel if you like content like this. I do try to do as much of them as I can to keep everybody in the loop of what's going on. So hit that subscribe button and also that post notification bell so YouTube advises you when I post all the content, all right? So Genesis Manor, again, this is a development currently going on, or it's done now, in the process of sale now in Goshen and St. Elizabeth. It is a partnership between property developers and the Jamaica Mortgage Bank. Now, Jamaica Mortgage Bank serves a very integral part in the infrastructural development of Jamaica. They tend to partner with developers to try to bring more housing solutions. I guess there will always be a debate as to how much they can do, and I guess we'll always need to do more. There's a lot of us here in Jamaica land we love that really want to invest in property but can't. But Jamaica Mortgage Bank is doing a really good job. So big up to Sir Courtney Winter and the team over there. According to him, he is very passionate about this development. He really sees the benefit of having such a development, especially in Goshen. It's more than likely going to start to trigger a lot of economic activity in that area. So that's really good. So big up to Jamaica Mortgage Bank, Courtney and the team. Give you a salute. And the property developers, you guys did a very good job. And YouTube, definitely leave some comments in the description below when you go through that video. If there are things you like, things you don't like, things you want to hear about it, drop it in the comments. We'll feed it all to the developers. It's a big part of our part to play that we play here. But the development itself, it's on 9.5 acres. Initially, from what I understand, the developers purchased that or acquired that lot in 2006 and initially planned to just subdivide it and make it and distribute it as just lots. But I guess during that partnership or that conversation with the Jamaica Mortgage Bank, they realized that delivering quality homes would have been a better way of putting it on the spectrum. So they did. I believe the products are really good, which you'll see. So what will happen, or what you're gonna see there, is 30 detached 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom homes. The values are at 27 million. That's the asking price. The floor square foot for each of these properties is 1350 square feet, and the lot size is 10,890 square feet, which is just about a quarter acre. Now inside is really what's beginning to set the development apart. So you're seeing a combination of porcelain and parquet flooring, Moen Faucets, granite countertops, mosaic backdrops in that kitchen, hardwood cabinets throughout, tray ceilings in the bedrooms, in-unit laundry, automatic garage, paved driveways, and of course this is going to be a gated community. So I really think it's good, but I've talked enough. So let's go check out the video, all right? And again, any comments that you have, please throw it there, all right?